Hello. Morning. Today we're going to be talking about mitosis and how it's connected to asexual reproduction. Before we begin, I want us to take a look at this picture. So if a starfish loses one of its limbs, it will eventually grow back. I want you to pause and think about, why do you think this happens? So take a few seconds, pause, and then when you're ready, please continue. Please unpause to continue to the next slide. So the reason that starfish are able to grow back their parts is through a process called regeneration. So sponges and sea stars are examples of animals that are able to regrow their parts. We want to figure out why this happens. So we're going to talk a little bit about cell division and its related to mitosis. So cell division. Cell division is defined as the ability to, when a cell is able to split itself into two cells. Unlike our cells, which which needs a male and female cell to reproduce, there are some organisms that are unable to do this, so cell division has to occur. So the cycle of a cell has 5 stages altogether. During asexual reproduction, most of this time, the cell is an interphase. It's important to know that during interphase, mitosis does not occur. And that's when the cell spends most of its time. So we're going to talk about mitosis. Even though it's spent a little part in there, this is where cell division happens. So to think about it, I want us to look at our friend Kirby. So Kirby is by himself during the interphase stage. There's no changes. Then he moves into the prophase, then the metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. By the time he gets through these stages, he's already split himself apart from one Kirby into 2 Kirbys. So these are the 4 stages of mitosis. We have the prophase, the metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. It's important and for a definition, mitosis is the process when the nucleus divides to form 2 identical nucleus. So here is another visual to show us how mitosis occurs during the cell. As you can see clearly, you can pause it if you wish. And when it reaches the final stage, the cytoplasm itself begins to separate. That is what completes around the cell. Once that separation is complete, we have 2 brand new cells and they return to interphase. So here are some review questions that I would like you to answer. So what is the definition of cell division? And 2, identify the 4 phases of mitosis. And what is the name of the phase when a cell is not in mitosis? You can find all the answers to these questions in this PowerPoint. So please take a second to go back and review, and I look forward to getting your responses. Thank you and have a great day.